Okay, this video I want to share with you. This has to go with creating, and I'm going to go to my dashboard. And I have a good friend named Elizabeth Joyce, and she is the digital teaching and learning, um, I don't know, not coach or person for NCAT. And she actually runs the online program there. And together, we made a little mini module of social emotional learning. And I just wanted to share with you some of the features of this when you are creating your content. One thing that you want to think about is to be sure and write large in a large font, about 18, um, because eyes get really tired, and so um, we can burn out there. Now, I don't know if you noticed this or not, but I have these little eyeballs, so I'm going to go back to my modules, and I want to share that with you because what we want to do is train our kids on knowing that you guys have been going through the summer of learning, and sometimes these little icons may not make a lot of sense and they may not be as fun. So a page, so just kind of think of eyes on the page. A discussion is a megaphone. Not sure why I chose a key for quizzes, but um, a key is for quizzes, and then one of those little um, notebooks, like interactive notebooks, for an assignment. So here is what you do to create that. And you would use this over and over and over again. So if I want to create another page, I would go to my plus sign. I'm going to go to page, click new page, and I'm going to type SEL in the classroom. Excuse me. Okay, and click add item. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on I call it the drip, click on the edit button. I'm going to place my cursor in front of SEL, and I'm going to right click, but it's being ugly. It's not wanting to do it. I'm going to put a space and back up one. Maybe it'll do it now. There we go. So I did a space, and then what will come up is emoji. If you click on emoji, then your emojis come up. And it usually comes up to what you used last. There are the eyeballs. And so you can train your students that when you see the eyes, and I think I have to click it again to get it. When you see the eyes, that's eyes on the page. Read everything, read carefully. So now I'm going to update. And so now when I click on this link, another cool thing is up here are your breadcrumbs. You get to see it here in the breadcrumbs as well. So real quickly, I know that this is a page because I keep my eyes on the page. I can find it in pages if I need to, and it's also in my social emotional class. So that is how you create icons for the different pages and just use them over and over again. The other thing that I wanted to show you was I'm going to click on the first one. Okay. Notice that I used a picture there. I'm going to go to the next page because I'm looking for something a little different. Okay. Excuse me, but I want to show you if you like this banner, where you can find this. If you go to um, your, oh, I was looking in the wrong place, y'all. Commons. and you type the name Elizabeth Joyce, she has created several banners, and you are able to download those or you can import them right into your course. So if let's just say I want this announcement banner, I like it, then I can import it into my classes. Or if I just want to, if I click import, I can scroll down and actually download it and I can save it in my Google Drive. So just wanted to let you know that those resources are there, and maybe we could all get together and make some cool banners and post them in the comments as well. But that's not really important right now, is it? We want to be working on our content. Okay. So just wanted to let you know that that resource is there. Now, if you go back to dashboard, or I'm going back to my dashboard, and I'm going to go to where I copied over um, the template on Lee's Tech Tidbits. And I want to show you another resource that you may or may not have looked at. I just want to make sure that you know it's here. I'm clicking on modules. And if you will scroll down to where it says template icon, banner, and buttons customization options, there are already stickers for you to use. Um, and if you scroll down, this gives you instructions about customizing your banner. But what's really neat here is that if you click on school supplies, that school supplies banner, it will allow you to make a copy of it. And you can change this however you want to. But what's cool is the sizing is correct. So you could choose your own icons and put them in this page. I mean, maybe you want all math symbols, then you could actually find math symbols there. So I really like that. And the other thing I wanted to point out are the buttons. Now, you may not like this mathematics button, but what's nice, but what is nice is that you can um, edit this. So if I wanted to click on it, and let's see if I can get yeah, the blue part, and I wanted to change the color, or I can keep the color the same, or maybe I want to change out the icon, or I want to change the word, it's going to be the right size. So make sure if you are wanting to use buttons like that, I mean, you may create your own, and that's totally fine. But make sure that you check out this page. I thought that this was a good resource. And again, I'm gonna scroll back to the top. It is underneath template icons, banners, and buttons customization options. And I hope that gave you a couple of ideas.